Hey folks, we're up here in the upper mezzanine, the Curriculum Materials Center, the CMC. So Joanne Marble is going to lead us on a little tour. She's our Curriculum Materials Specialist. So Joanne, take it away.
Hello everyone, welcome to the Curriculum Materials Center. I'm up here most days from 7 to 4 every day if you need any help. But anyway, here's our instructional area where classes come to meet, and they have all kinds of classes come to learn all kinds of things about our materials. We have children's materials, and that's what we really concentrate on. This is the desk where you would come for help. And then now we'll go down across the bridge here, and we're going to find our collection. This is extra seating, and anyone is welcome to come and sit and study. We don't care if you're an education major. Anyone can sit here. We're so happy to have you. And if you look forward, you can see our collection. We have nonfiction books. These are, again, all geared towards children up to about middle school. So if you can imagine yourself being back in your middle school or your elementary school library, this is where what you would find. So we're here to help with all kinds of things if you need children's literature. We have picture books, we have fiction books, and then we also have all the storybooks that you might have learned in school. Like this one is Welcome to Kindergarten. And again, there's plenty of places to lounge and to hang out. And we also have a professional collection. Let's say that you're doing something about learning, service learning. We have books on professional ways that you can help learn more skills to improve how you can be a better teacher. And so we have all this materials here to improve your professionalism. We have North Carolina textbooks. These are the books that were in schools, and they're part of the curriculum for K to middle school. And they're here for you to use, like this one, North Carolina on reading. Yeah, something about smoke detector.
Oh, okay. Yeah, probably thought it was a squirrel or something.
Yeah. And then this is the funnest room of all that we have here. This is our curriculum materials resource room. And we have puppets and games and kits that will help you improve your lesson planning for your students. You can just imagine using all of your different tools to help with your classes. We have all kinds of math games and spelling and special ed and just all kinds of fun things here that you can check out to use as something for your class planning.
Well, thank you so much, Joanne. Thank you for showing us around the CMC.
You're certainly welcome, and I hope to see you again soon.
All right, come here.